Once upon a time, at a small village nestled between rolling hills, lived a curious and imaginative girl named Maya. Maya was 6 years old and had a heart full of wonder. She loved exploring the forest near her home, where tall trees whispered secrets and colorful flowers danced in the breeze. One sunny morning, Maya woke up with a loose tooth. She wiggled it with tiny fingers and grinned at herself in the mirror. Maya, Mom! Dad! Look, my tooth is loose! Mom, oh Maya, that means the tooth fairy might visit you tonight. Dad,
Indeed. Make sure to place your tooth under your pillow before you go to sleep.
Maya spent the day eagerly waiting for bedtime. When night fell and the stars sparkled in the sky, Maya placed her tooth under her pillow. Maya, good night, tooth. I hope the tooth fairy comes to visit. High up in the clouds, a little tooth fairy named Toothy was getting ready for her nighty rounds. Toothy was different from other tooth fairies. She was not just about collecting teeth, she loved to talk to the children and hear them. Toothy, time to spread a magic and hear some stories. With a twinkle of her wings, Toothy soared down to Maya's room. She gently lifted the tooth from under Maya's pillow and left the shining coin in its place. But Toothy couldn't resist striking up a conversation. Toothy, hello there, Maya. What an adventure you must have had with this tooth. Maya, huh? Who's there? Toothy, it's me. Toothy the Tooth Fairy. I just couldn't help but wonder about your tooth journey. Maya, whoa, a real tooth fairy. Well, my tooth has been with me since I was little. It helped me eat yummy food and even made me whistle. Toothy, that sounds like quite a journey indeed. Thank you for sharing, Maya. Maya, you're welcome, Toothy. But how do you collect all these teeth and why? Toothy, collecting teeth is a way to keep memories alive, dear. Every tooth holds a special story of a child's growing up. Maya, that's so cool. Hey, do you have any stories to share? Toothy, oh, I have a million stories. Like the time I helped a little boy find his lost tooth in a garden of roses. Maya, tell me more, tell me more. And so, Toothy and Maya chatted through the night, sharing stories and dreams. As dawn approached, Toothy knew it was time to go. Toothy, Maya, it's time for me to leave. Remember, every tooth you lose holds a part of you. Keep being curious and exploring, and you'll have many stories to share. Maya, thank you, Toothy. I'll remember that. Toothy left a gentle twinkling glow in Maya's room as she flew away, leaving behind a heart filled with warmth and wonder. From that night on, Maya looked at her loose teeth with excitement, knowing that each one held a special story waiting to be told. And though Toothy was invisible to most, she continued her nighty rounds, sharing stories and collecting teeth, all while sprinkling a little magic of curiosity and wonder wherever she went. So, the moral of the story is that the story teaches us that even little things have special stories behind them. When we are curious and share our stories, we make life more interesting and connect with others in a wonderful way. So, never be afraid to ask questions and tell your own stories.